Hey everyone, it's KylaMacc and I'm back with another video. Yeah, y'all, I'm teaching y'all how I got this eye look here. And I'm just feeling like I feel like a sugar baby. I don't know why. I just feel like a sugar baby. I wish I really was one. But until then, this is my, we're gonna call this a sugar baby look. I don't know why. I just feel like I'm getting to the bread. Today I show you how to get this look. So if you want to know how we got this look right here, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I have done my brows off camera. Lately, I've been trying this little ginger brow. I think this one is a little bit darker than the one that I did on one of my Instagram looks. So yeah, we're just gonna have to work with it today, but it is more sculpted. The other one wasn't as sculpted, so I was trying to, you know, finesse with that. Do not mind my nails, okay? They're rough. I just used eyeshadow and my porcelain concealer. Raggedy Royal has like a trick on her TikTok, so that's what I followed. And yeah, so I've already primed my lids with my porcelain concealer. Now I am going to go ahead in the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I am going to use this purple here, and I'm going to take my favorite brush, the Wet n Wild Define and Crease brush, and I am going to clean my brushes. I know they look very, very dusty and dirty, so I'm just going to go ahead and define my crease. I want this to be really bold and really pigmented. I'm going to bring my crease up pretty high in the inner corner because I want a kind of blown out look, but I still wanted to have that drama from the purple, from the dark purple. So now I'm going to take this brush here. It's just kind of like a more concentrated blending brush, but I don't really know where this brush is from or what it's called. And I'm gonna go into my Morphe 39L, and I am going to take this bright red color up here, and I'm going to blend out that purple. Okay guys, I'm sorry if the angle changed a little bit, my phone fell. So yeah, anyways, back to the tutorial. And I'm gonna overlap this color a little bit with the purple because I don't have as much crease space as I anticipated. So I'm just gonna layer these colors on top of each other, and it'll probably help with the blend as well. All right, so I'm gonna go back in with that purple and bring the color back that was blended away. And now I'm gonna take a Morphe M562 brush, and I'm gonna go in my Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk palette and go in the color Crimson. And I'm gonna blend out that red color that I used from Morphe. And I'm basically just using this to like give it a blend. Like you see, this one's a little more harsh and this one is a little more blown out. I am still working on my blending and everything, but this is how I get through the process. So now I'm going to take my porcelain concealer and my BH Cosmetics number 11 brush, and I am going to do somewhat of a cut crease, but blow it out a little bit, like make it kind of more of a soft cut crease. It's not really cut at all, but that's the only way I can describe it. You see, it's kind of like soft. I'm gonna soften it up a little bit more. I think I'm gonna try to use like my concealer brush that I normally prime my eyes with. Yeah, that did it. And boom, diffuses out the line immediately. I don't need the base to be super pigmented, just because I'm gonna throw a shimmery shade over it, and I don't really need it to be super bright. So I'm going back into that purple shade, and I'm just gonna blend that on my outer corner. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my Beat Up Sephora Pro palette. This is the Pro Pigment palette. I don't know if that's, this is the Editorial Pro Pigment palette. I'm going to take this color right here and put it all over my lid. And I'm just gonna take a clean blending brush just to soften up that line here. Because like I said, I want it to be like diffused. Like a diffused crease, not necessarily cut. Oh yeah, I like that, I like that, I like it a lot. All right guys, so now I'm going to go complete my face off camera, and then I will be back to do the finishing touches on these sides. Okay, my back. Okay guys, so this is the face. I forgot to tell y'all in my last video what foundation I was wearing, but I have been wearing the Maybelline Superstay in the color Coconut, so that is what I do have on now. And I am going to finish the rest of the eyes. Y'all, I cannot find my white eyeliner to save my life. So what I'm gonna use is my old reliable, the same concealer, and I'm gonna put it on a liner brush, and I'm gonna put that on my waterline. Now using a flat shadow brush, I am going to just set that with a white color. This is the closest I can get to white liner until I buy one. So under that white liner, I'm going to take a definer brush in that purple shade from Juvia's Place, and I am going to just start building up my lower lash line, and I'm going to keep using the same colors that I use on the top to blend out the bottom. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to do the smallest wing liner that I can muster. The smallest, like just the thinnest little line. I'm not even gonna go in my inner corner because I be messing up my white liner when I do that. Maybe I need to use waterproof, but I hate waterproof eyeliners, so we ain't figured that out yet. But I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and then I'll be back to put on lashes. Okay, so the line didn't come out that thin, but it's okay. I decided last minute that I want to add a little bit of glitter on the bottom lash line. Not too much, you know, we're not going to overdo it, but we're going to do a little something, something. I'm going to put just a dark purple shimmer shade right here. And then I'm going to use my Too Faced glitter glue. I need to get a new one because I've had this. It's probably expired, but I've had this for about 4 years, so. And then the two glitters I'm gonna use are J-Cat Beauty. I don't know what the name of the color is. And then this is Craft Glitter. Do as I say, not as I do. Use at your own risk. Craft Glitter is not necessarily cosmetic grade glitter, so like I said, use at your own risk. I'm really loving my face makeup today. Lately, my face makeup has been slacking. Like, it's been kind of trash actually. So I will eventually do a video where I show my face makeup because I actually kind of like this. So we'll see how it looks when in pictures, because that'll tell you the real truth. You know, video will lie to you just a little bit. So I'm going to put on my mascara. So guys, I went ahead and put on my mascara. Popped on some lashes. The lashes I'm wearing are very generic. I'm pretty sure I got these off of Wish, but if you can find them, they're number 031, that's all. So I have those on, and the lip color I'm wearing is just a mixture of nudes. Most of them are from Wet n Wild, the liquid lip glosses. And yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I've been very obsessed with the color combination purple and red, so that's what I tried to create. I hope that's what I gave y'all. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, drop a comment, subscribe while you're at it, and you know what? Turn on your post notifications. Why not? Why not? Because, you know, don't you want to know when I'm posting a video, because I'm so inconsistent? And like, wouldn't you want to know that? I'm just saying. So yeah, but until next time, guys, thank you guys again so much for watching. And until next time, guys, hugs and kisses.